everyone, and this time I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'm gonna do a mirror overlay transition on Alight Motion. So without any further ado, just create your project and name it into whatever you want. And here I'm gonna name it as mirror overlay. Okay guys, after creating a new project, now it's time for you to import all the clips you're gonna need. And just like always, don't forget to add tiles and motion blur into all the layers you're gonna use. Okay, so now I'm fitting all the clips I'm using by masking with a square shape. And now I'm grouping the two layers into one. And right now you're gonna need to duplicate the group you've made. Okay guys, so now it's time to crop the mirror. In this step, you need a picture with a mirror selfie on it, like this. Okay, I think white didn't fit on the edit, so I'm gonna change it into black. Okay guys, so now I'm importing the third clip to put it as a transition between the mirrors. Okay guys, so now you're just gonna need to do a slight transition. And now it's time to group the layers. Okay guys, now it's time to mask all the 3 layers into one. And after that, paste the effects you've copied on the beginning. Now go to Move and Transform and start a zoom transition. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and God bless you.